In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Gosund Smart Plug in case you're having connection issues or need to set it up again. Let's go through the steps to get it working properly. Step 1. Unplug the smart plug. First, unplug the Gosund Smart Plug from the power outlet. Wait for about 5 to 10 seconds to ensure it's completely powered off. Step 2. Press and hold the reset button. After the plug is unplugged, press and hold the reset button on the side of the plug. The reset button is usually a small hole or button located on the side or bottom of the plug. Step 3. Reconnect the plug to the outlet. While still holding the reset button, plug the smart plug back into the power outlet. Step 4. Wait for the indicator light. Continue holding the reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds. After this time, the indicator light on the smart plug will begin flashing rapidly. This means the smart plug has been reset and is now in pairing mode. Step 5. Set up the smart plug again. Open the Gosund app on your smartphone and follow the on-screen instructions to reconnect the smart plug to your Wi-Fi network and complete the setup. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.